And again, we're just going to open this up just so you guys can see it. We're going to put it side by side. It's not really comparing or anything like that, but just so you can see a couple different choices. And this one's coming in a nice bag. I like this. I like the presentation of this knife, right? CBV, maybe I'm saying that wrong or whatever it is. But again, I love the fact that they give you a case. I think it's really cool, right? You could just store your knife here if you're going through a couple different rotations. You got a couple different things in here. We're definitely doing an unboxing on this one so you could take a look at it. And again, you're going to have a couple different things. You know, you have a little rack right here. You have some information right here as well. And if you notice, the case right here has like a little furry thing. I mean, I'm assuming it's to protect the blade, right? Love this. Obviously, you could clean it up, right? This one is not that big at all, but again, a pretty good choice for somebody out there that is looking to everyday carry kind of knife, right? Love the color, love the black with the green, and I think it looks good, right? For a regular working blade, it's gonna be good, right? If you compare it to something like this, which is the Kershaw League, you can kind of see this. This is kind of like the one that you probably, if you're a mechanic or something like that, you probably carry something like this. And if you're working in an office, maybe you want to have something pretty like this, right? So again, it's gonna be up to you, but here it is, right? We're gonna open it up just to give you an idea, and wow, that kind of deployed it really, really nice. Look at that, guys. That's pretty, right? This is really pretty. Love the green, love the black. It gives a really cool look. When you hold it right here, again, just holding it right here, it feels good. It doesn't feel big at all, right? It feels just like an everyday kind of carry knife, right? And then this thing right here, if you could notice, kind of feels like a guard right there. Putting my finger right there, it protects my finger. But obviously that's going to be used to deploy the knife, right? Look how nice that comes out. This knife is cool, right? It comes out really, really nice. Really easy to deploy this kind of knife because obviously you have that right there that is just really easy to pull on it, right? You don't really need much to deploy the knife, right? Liner lock, you can see it right there. Again, compare it to something like this, which is not liner lock, right? So again, this is called Duro lock. So again, just a different choice for you guys. Dig it. Love the fact that it's completely clear. You know, you could kind of see through, which to me, that's actually kind of good, right? So again, you're going to carry this knife just one way. It's going to be tip up, and it looks like you can only have the click in one position, as you can see right there. I don't think that's for the clip at all, right? So very clean looking knife. Let's just give you a quick look right here. And again, we're just going to give you a quick look so you can have an idea. Open it up right there, and you can see how clean this knife look. So let's do a couple of the specs right here. So this is going to be the mini Praxis, and again, it's going to have a D2 steel. It's going to be about 2.98 right there on the blade, and it's actually a really, really good price. If you're on a budget and you're trying to get a budget knife that is probably going to work just fine, this may be a good idea for some of you guys. You can see that has a little bit of jimping right there on the blade, and the scales right here are going to be G10, and they do feel a little drippy, right? It doesn't feel slick or anything like that. If you see a knife like this from Kershaw, this is kind of like slip. This one right here obviously doesn't feel that way. Really, really cool knife. It's gonna weigh a little bit over 4 ounces. An entire length of the knife is gonna be about 6.7 inches. And you can see the style of the blade right there. I think it looks like really, really cool. And again, just another choice out there if you're looking for an everyday carry knife. Let's see how sharp it is. Here we go. It's definitely sharp.